How to remove My AI on Snapchat. Now let's get started. Open your Snapchat app. Your camera will open up. Now head towards the chat section. After you land to the chat section, at the top you're gonna find the conversation with My AI. Now how to remove it. If you have to remove any friend from your Snapchat, all you have to do is long press on it. Go to the option of manage friendship, and over here you're gonna find this option of remove friend. When you try the same process for My AI, long press on it. Go to the option of manage friendship. You won't get the option of remove friend. So right now within Snapchat there is no such option to remove My AI. But in the case you are using Snapchat Plus, you will be able to remove My AI. If you are a Snapchat Plus user, all you have to do is long press on the conversation with My AI and go to the option of manage friendship. And over here you will get the option of remove friend. You have to tap on that option, and with that My AI will be removed. In the case you want to upgrade your Snapchat to the Snapchat Plus, go to the profile, and over here you will find this option of Snapchat Plus. Tap on it, tap on next. Firstly, you can start the free trial, and then you can go through different plans of Snapchat Plus and upgrade your Snapchat to the Snapchat Plus. So this is the only way right now to remove My AI on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.